Hey guys, this is Philip with Buy Your Ride, and today I'm going to be showing you this 2014 Hyundai Veloster. It is a turbo model vehicle, so you get a little extra fun with that power. Let's go ahead and take a look around the inside and out and see what this car is all about. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission. It's very nice, very easy for anybody that's a beginner and learning how to drive manual. It's got Bluetooth and navigation and sound, a great dimension sound system. Absolutely wonderful. It's got iPod, USB, and two 12-volt charging ports right there. Other than that, it's a very simple interior. Nothing more you could ask for. Let's go for a test drive and see how it feels. So we're on the main road right now, and we have the windows rolled up, but I'm pretty sure you can still hear the exhaust. We're just going to take it slow and run through the gears so you guys can hear, how the vehicle sounds.